Welcome to HYBA Beauty's step-by-step tutorial for creating a pink and white French manicure using our HyGEL system. First, choose the perfect nail tip for each nail. Make sure it fits the sidewall to sidewall and fully covers the free edge. Apply a small amount of nail glue to the tip. Then gently press them onto the natural nails until secure. Now trim the tips of your desired length and shape. Use a 100 to 120 grit file to refine the edges and ensure a smooth transition. Let's prep the natural nails. Push back the cuticle and lightly buff the entire nail surface to remove shine and create a perfect base for adhesion. Remove all the dust and debris from the nails to ensure a clean surface for product application. Now apply a thin layer of VDB base gel. This is a primer and bonder over the entire nail. This product is infused with vitamin B to nourish your natural nails to prevent lifting. Cure this layer under an LED light for 5 seconds. Before we move on, prepare your 70% alcohol solution and your HyGEL dual brush made of high-quality Kolinsky hairs. Take PF05 Cover French Pink HyGEL and slice a small amount using the spatula side of your brush. Place it near the cuticle area and release it onto the nail. Next, wet your HyGEL brush with 70% alcohol and begin patting and smoothing the HyGEL. Carefully work around the cuticle area and shape the smile line with precision. Continue to pat and smooth the HyGEL, using the alcohol to keep the brush from sticking. Once you're happy with the shape, cure the nail under the LED for 60 seconds. If needed, refine the edges of the smile line with a thin file. Wipe away any dust or debris before moving to the next step. Now take PF02 French Tip White HyGEL and slice a small amount. Place it onto the tip of the nails and release it onto the surface. Again, wet your HYBA gel brush with alcohol and gently pat and smooth the HyGEL, working carefully to connect the white tip to the pink base, refining the smile line as you go. Once satisfied, cure the nail under the LED for 60 seconds. After curing the HyGEL, we have a sticky inhibition layer. Use a lint-free wipe soaked in 70% alcohol to wipe it clean. Use a 100 to 120 grit file to shape and refine the nails. Focus on creating clean edges and a smooth surface. For a professional finish, use a medium to fine drill bit with an E-file to smooth the entire nail surface. You can also use a mini sanding band or a 100 to 150 grit buffer file to buff the nails to perfection. Wipe the nails with alcohol to remove all the remaining dust and debris and allow them to dry. To seal and protect your nails, apply a thin, even coat of high shine top gel over the entire nail surface. Cure the top gel under an LED light for 30 seconds to achieve a brilliant glossy finish. Finally, apply cuticle oil to nourish the skin and cuticle around the polished look. With regular care, HyGEL Pink and White French Manicure will last up to 3 to 4 weeks. Regular refills is recommended to maintain the health and beauty of your nails.